Greetings everyone. Here's how you can add a robots.txt file to your website. So for that, first, log into your website. We are already logged in. Now we need to access the root directory of this site to upload the robots.txt file. For that you can either use FTP, cPanel, or the File Manager plugin. We have already installed the File Manager plugin. So open this. Now, here are all our website files. And we need to upload the robots.txt file. To find the codes for the robots.txt, let's open our website and go to /robots.txt. So this is the code we're using. Likewise, you can also check out another site. This is the code. Simply copy this. Open Notepad and paste the code. Now we need to replace it with our own sitemap. So this is the sitemap. You can use Yoast SEO to create a sitemap, or check out our earlier video to manually create a sitemap without plugins. Also, make sure to check if this is working or not. So this seems to work. Now save the txt file as robots.txt. I will save it to the desktop. So this is all done. Now let's upload it. Simply click here, select Files. So it is here. Let me quickly check it. And here is the robots.txt file. And after this, you can also remove the File Manager plugin. Thank you very much.